So guys, in order to be eligible for the courses Masai is offering, you should be an Indian citizen, you should have a valid PAN card and Aadhar card. You are also required to have a laptop and a desktop with unhindered and uninterrupted Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Basic knowledge of English language is a must for all of our courses. You need to be available to take job immediately after you complete your course. Your age criteria would be between 18 to 28 years of age. You should also have cleared the 12th standard under CBSE or ICSE or any of the state recognized board of education. You need no prior coding or data analytical skills to join our courses. College dropouts are also eligible to apply. Part-time courses will only be available for students who are going to graduate in 2022 and for those who are working professional. Fulfill any of these criteria and you will be eligible for the part-time course. For web development and data analytics both, you have one attempt to clear the test. On not clearing the MSAT, you can also apply and reapply to the next batch.